First, install the GD module test wire. The red wire is installed in the main positive. The black wire is installed in the main negative. And the yellow-green wire needs to be connected to the ground wire of the battery rack. The GD module can be directly installed on the battery rack, and the total positive and negative test lines are connected to the corresponding GD module acquisition port. To supply power, the power input terminal needs to be connected to pins 3 and pins 4 of the COM1B port of the convergence module.